Thank you for watching. My name is Courtney Paljak. I'm with LSW Lighting and we're located in beautiful Alberta. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can sever ties with the power cord and illuminate your space using the powered suspension system from Birchwood Lighting by Leviton. Not only can you offer a contemporary design, but your installation will be a breeze, using the field cuttable cable to both power and secure your luminaires. You can now speed up installation time and offer the end user a higher level of design, consequently saving both time and money. Here we have an installation of the power over cable suspended Nolan luminaire from Birchwood Lighting by Leviton. As you can see, the all-in-one power over cable makes installation a breeze, eliminating multiple electrical connections within the junction box. Now you can illuminate your space effectively and eliminate bulky electrical wires that take away from the elegance of your lighting design. You can offer your design space clean, minimalistically mounted luminaires from precision machine end caps to the slender canopy. If you or someone you know would like to find out more about the awesome new powered suspension system from Birchwood by Leviton, do not hesitate to reach out to me or the sales team here at LSW Lighting. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe. Until next time, have a wonderful day.